Is that good?
Are you done, Trey? Should Grandma clean this up? Are you thirsty? Do you want to wash any of it down?
No.
Is that good, Trey? You're licking every little bit off your hand, huh?
Look at you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what? Baby sleeping?
Message from local Cadillac dealer for this attractive offer. Residency restrictions apply.
No pudding for Gwenny. She's sleeping. Is that good? Oh, you're getting it all over your shirt. What do you think, Ava? You want some pudding? Oh, you want all the attention on you?
Ava, baby, too. It's going down to your shirt. Into
All
your
gone,
chest.
Trey?
All done?
All done?
No.